Have you ever thought about how much your body communicates its needs throughout your life? Often, we become so focused on daily demands that we overlook the subtle signs our bodies give us, especially when it comes to prostate health. The prostate is a small organ, but it plays an enormous role in men's overall well-being. Located just below the bladder, it's responsible for essential functions in the reproductive system. But more than that, its health is deeply connected to your quality of life, energy levels, and even emotional balance. The problem is that most men only start worrying about their prostate when the first signs of discomfort appear. That urgency to urinate, the sensation of an incomplete bladder emptying, or even pelvic pain. These signals, which may seem harmless at first, are often ignored until they develop into more serious problems. But what if you could prevent all of this before it even starts? What if the secret to a healthy prostate was found in simple, daily habits that could make all the difference over the years? Prostate health isn't just a medical issue. It directly affects your vitality, performance, and confidence. When this small organ is functioning well, you feel it in every aspect of your life, from your energy for physical activities to your emotional balance. Caring for your prostate is above all an act of self-care. It's not just about preventing diseases like benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, or prostate cancer, but about preserving your energy, pleasure, and quality of life at every stage. In this chapter, we'll explore why your prostate health deserves your attention now, not just when problems arise. We'll talk about how daily habits, conscious choices, and paying attention to your body can be powerful allies for a long, healthy, and fulfilling life. Because in the end, investing in your health today is the greatest gift you can give your future self. Now that you understand the importance of caring for your prostate health, it's time to dive into an essential, yet often underestimated, aspect: the role of ejaculation in maintaining this vital organ. Ejaculation goes far beyond momentary pleasure. It serves an important biological function for prostate health. Every time a man ejaculates, the prostate contracts and releases prostatic fluid, which helps keep the ducts clean and functioning properly. It's like an internal, self-cleaning system that prevents the buildup of fluids and metabolic waste. When this process happens regularly, the prostate stays active and healthy. But during periods of prolonged abstinence or infrequent ejaculations, this balance can be disrupted. The result? A condition known as congestive prostatitis, characterized by a buildup of fluids inside the prostate, which can cause pelvic discomfort, a sensation of pressure in the bladder, pain, or even difficulty urinating. These symptoms might seem minor at first, but if ignored, they can significantly affect your quality of life. The good news is that the solution is simple and natural. Maintaining a healthy frequency of ejaculations, whether through sexual activity or masturbation, can help prevent these issues. It's important to note that this isn't about excessive frequency or following a rigid rule. The focus is on balance, respecting your body and maintaining a healthy routine that meets your individual needs. Ejaculation, therefore, shouldn't be seen merely as a source of pleasure, but also as a powerful tool to preserve your prostate health. It's a simple act that can make a significant difference over time, helping to keep your body functioning optimally and preventing unnecessary discomfort. As time goes by, our bodies inevitably change, and often these changes aren't immediately visible. Internally, cells wear down, hormones fluctuate, and aging starts to leave its mark. The prostate, like many other organs, is not immune to these effects. As we age, oxidative stress, the result of the natural production of free radicals, intensifies. These free radicals can damage healthy prostate cells, triggering silent inflammation that, over time, affects the gland's proper functioning. Even without obvious symptoms at first, this chronic inflammation can progress, increasing the risk of discomfort, urinary problems, and even more serious conditions. But here's the good news. You can take action to slow this process and protect your prostate. And one of the simplest and most effective tools lies in your daily habits. As we've already seen, regular ejaculation does more than prevent prostate congestion. It also helps reduce the buildup of potentially inflammatory substances within the prostate tissues, acting almost like an internal cleansing system. This natural process keeps the organ active and healthy, helping combat the effects of oxidative stress. However, ejaculation alone isn't enough. Your body needs allies to fight cellular damage, and that's where nutrition plays a crucial role. Including foods rich in antioxidants in your diet is one of the most powerful strategies to combat aging and protect your prostate. Berries like strawberries and blueberries, lycopene-rich tomatoes, and even a daily cup of green tea are excellent options. These foods help neutralize free radicals, reduce inflammation, and strengthen prostate cells. Additionally, dark leafy greens, nuts, and omega-3 rich fish, like salmon and sardines, provide essential nutrients that promote hormonal balance and support the prostate's optimal functioning. Aging is inevitable, but how you experience it is largely within your control. Simple practices, such as maintaining a healthy ejaculation frequency and consuming foods that protect your cells, can make a world of difference over time. Behind the scenes of your prostate health, there's a delicate hormonal dance that directly affects how this small but powerful organ functions. The prostate is highly sensitive to hormonal fluctuations, especially testosterone, and its more potent derivative, dihydrotestosterone, DHT. Testosterone, often associated with strength, energy, and male vitality, undergoes a natural conversion into DHT within the body. DHT plays an important role during puberty, helping develop male reproductive organs and secondary sexual characteristics. However, as the years go by, excess DHT can become problematic for the prostate. When DHT levels remain elevated over time, they stimulate excessive growth of prostate cells, leading to a condition known as benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, commonly referred to as an enlarged prostate. This growth can cause uncomfortable symptoms like difficulty urinating, a weak urine flow, or the constant feeling that your bladder is never fully empty. Here's an interesting fact. Regular ejaculation can help keep this hormonal balance in check. During ejaculation, there's a slight but significant temporary reduction in DHT levels within the prostate. This hormonal relief reduces pressure on prostate tissues, helping to prevent excessive growth and promoting a healthier environment. Of course, this isn't a miracle cure, but it's a simple and natural ally that can be part of your broader self-care plan. When combined with other healthy habits, like a balanced diet, regular exercise, and stress management, regular ejaculation supports hormonal harmony and helps your prostate function optimally. In addition, smart dietary choices can also influence hormonal balance. Foods rich in zinc, such as pumpkin seeds and nuts, help regulate testosterone production. Meanwhile, cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and cauliflower assist in the healthy metabolism of hormones. Hormonal balance is like a delicate dance between production and regulation. Maintaining this harmony not only protects your prostate, but also positively impacts your energy levels, libido, and overall well-being. Among all the concerns surrounding men's health, prostate cancer is undoubtedly one of the most feared, and for good reason. It's one of the most common types of cancer among men, especially after the age of 50. But what you might not know is that one of the simplest allies in reducing this risk could be something you're already doing naturally: ejaculation. Several studies suggest that men who ejaculate frequently, whether through sexual activity or masturbation, have a lower risk of developing prostate cancer. But why does this happen? The explanation lies in the prostate's natural function. This organ is responsible for producing part of the seminal fluid, which contains not only nutrients essential for sperm, but also metabolic waste. When ejaculation is infrequent, these substances can accumulate in the prostatic fluid, increasing the gland's exposure to potentially harmful agents. Ejaculation acts as a natural cleansing system, flushing out these residues and helping maintain a healthier internal environment in the prostate. It's like opening a window to air out a stuffy room, clearing out what's stagnant and allowing fresh energy to flow in. However, it's essential to remember, while frequent ejaculation may help reduce the risk, it's not an absolute guarantee against prostate cancer. It's just one piece of the puzzle. Prevention requires a holistic approach, which includes maintaining a diet rich in antioxidants, engaging in regular physical activity, limiting alcohol and tobacco consumption, and undergoing routine medical checkups. Emotional health also plays a significant role. Chronic stress and anxiety can disrupt hormonal balance, which in turn may negatively impact prostate health. That's why finding moments of pleasure, relaxation, and self-connection, like mindful masturbation, can offer not only physical but also psychological benefits. The key is balance. Regular masturbation can be a powerful self-care tool, but it should be combined with other healthy habits to form a complete prevention strategy. So far, we've talked about masturbation as a powerful tool for prostate health, but there's a deeper layer that deserves attention: self-awareness. Masturbation isn't just a physical act, it's also a unique opportunity to reconnect with your body and notice subtle signs that might otherwise go unnoticed. During these intimate moments of self-care, you have the chance to observe small details that can reveal a lot about your health. Have you ever noticed a change in the texture or colour of your semen? Or maybe you've felt a slight discomfort where you normally wouldn't? These tiny signals are your body's way of communicating. While they're often harmless, in some cases they can indicate that something needs more attention. For example, changes in semen density, the presence of blood, pain during ejaculation, or pelvic discomfort shouldn't be ignored. These symptoms could be linked to issues like infections, inflammation, or even more serious prostate-related conditions. Mindful masturbation allows you to detect these changes early, giving you the opportunity to seek medical help before minor concerns turn into major complications. But self-awareness goes beyond the physical. These moments of intimacy can also strengthen your relationship with yourself. In today's fast-paced world, even pleasure can become rushed or mechanical. When you slow down and explore your body with care and attention, you create space for genuine connection, where pleasure isn't just the end goal, but part of a deeper process of presence and listening. This conscious practice also brings emotional benefits. It can help reduce stress, improve your mood, and even boost self-esteem. After all, taking the time to care for your body attentively is an act of self-respect and love. And here's the main takeaway: mindful masturbation isn't just about pleasure or prostate health. It's about opening an honest dialogue with your body, listening to what it has to say, and learning to recognize the signals that often get lost in the rush of daily life. Now that we've talked about how masturbation can be a powerful tool for self-awareness, it's time to take it a step further. How can you turn this intimate moment into a true self-care ritual? Mindful masturbation goes far beyond the physical act. It's about creating an experience that fosters pleasure, health, and emotional well-being. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to fall into the trap of rushing through everything, even something as personal as masturbation. But when you slow down and give the moment your full attention, the act transforms. It stops being a quick escape and becomes a rich, healthy, and even therapeutic practice. The first step to mindful masturbation is setting the right environment. Choose a private, quiet space where you feel completely at ease, free from interruptions. Soft lighting, relaxing music, or even a warm bath beforehand can help prepare both your body and mind for a more immersive experience. Another essential element is the use of proper lubricants. Many men overlook this detail, but a good lubricant can make the experience more comfortable and pleasurable while protecting the skin from irritation. Opt for water-based or silicone-based lubricants, especially if you have sensitive skin or prefer something longer lasting. And of course, no self-care practice is complete without good hygiene. Washing your hands before and after masturbation is a simple but crucial step to prevent infections or irritation. If you're using sex toys, make sure to clean them properly after each use. Now, perhaps the most important point. Mindful masturbation is also an opportunity to release negative emotions like guilt or shame. Unfortunately, many men grow up in environments where self-pleasure is stigmatized as something wrong or dirty. These beliefs can create emotional discomfort and prevent a deeper connection with oneself. But here's the truth. Caring for your own pleasure is healthy, natural, and an act of self-love. When you allow yourself to experience these moments without judgment, you create a space of acceptance and respect for your body. This not only improves your relationship with yourself, but can also have positive effects in other areas of your life, such as self-esteem, mental health, and even intimate relationships. So think of mindful masturbation as a gift to yourself, a moment to relax, explore, and reconnect with your body and mind. Small changes in how you approach intimate self-care can completely transform the experience, bringing benefits that go far beyond immediate pleasure. So far, we've focused on the importance of mindful masturbation for prostate health and self-awareness. But, as with any aspect of health, taking care of your prostate effectively requires a broader approach. There are simple complementary habits that, combined with regular ejaculation, can further enhance your well-being and protect your prostate over time. One of the most effective, yet often overlooked, practices is Kegel exercises. While these exercises are commonly associated with women, they offer tremendous benefits for men too. Kegels strengthen the pelvic floor muscles, which play a crucial role in supporting the bladder, intestines, and of course, the prostate. Strong pelvic muscles lead to better urinary control and also offer sexual health benefits, like firmer erections and more intense orgasms. And the best part? Kegel exercises are simple and can be done almost anywhere, while sitting, standing, or even lying down. Just contract the muscles you use to stop the flow of urine, hold the contraction for a few seconds, and then relax. Repeating this sequence several times a day can bring noticeable improvements over time. Beyond physical exercises, nutrition plays a key role in prostate health. What you put on your plate can directly influence inflammation, hormonal balance, and even the risk of developing prostate conditions. A diet rich in healthy fats, such as those found in avocados, olive oil, and nuts, helps regulate hormone production and reduce inflammation. Omega-3 rich fish, like salmon and sardines, are also powerful allies. They have anti-inflammatory properties that benefit not only the prostate, but the entire body. Dark leafy greens like spinach, kale, and broccoli are packed with antioxidants and essential nutrients that protect prostate cells from oxidative stress. And let's not forget the power of lycopene, an antioxidant found in tomatoes. Lycopene has been linked to a reduced risk of prostate cancer, and its benefits are enhanced when tomatoes are cooked. Think delicious tomato sauces. Hydration is another crucial aspect. Staying well hydrated helps the urinary system function efficiently, preventing infections and supporting proper prostate health. Drink plenty of water throughout the day and limit sugary or alcoholic drinks, which can contribute to inflammation. Finally, emotional balance plays a vital role in prostate health. Chronic stress can disrupt hormone levels and trigger inflammation throughout the body, including the prostate. Incorporating relaxation techniques like meditation, deep breathing exercises, or even daily walks in nature can help lower stress and promote overall well-being. Prostate health isn't about a single miracle practice, but rather a combination of healthy habits working together. Mindful masturbation, targeted exercises, nutrient-rich foods, and emotional balance create a strong foundation for preserving your prostate health and enhancing your overall quality of life. Even when you maintain a healthy routine, with regular exercise, a balanced diet, and mindful self-care, there's one element you simply can't overlook when it comes to prostate health: regular medical checkups. Taking care of your health isn't just about prevention through good habits, it's also about being proactive when it comes to early diagnosis. Many prostate-related issues develop silently, showing no clear symptoms in their early stages. This is exactly why regular exams become essential allies in maintaining long-term prostate health. One of the most well-known and important tests for evaluating prostate health is the PSA test, prostate-specific antigen. It's a simple blood test that measures the levels of this protein produced by the prostate. While it's normal to have small amounts of PSA in the bloodstream, elevated levels can signal inflammation, benign prostate enlargement, or in more serious cases, prostate cancer. The biggest advantage of the PSA test is its ability to detect issues early, often before any symptoms appear. When it comes to diseases like prostate cancer, early detection can make all the difference, significantly increasing the chances of successful and less invasive treatment. In addition to the PSA test, other complementary exams may be recommended, such as the digital rectal exam, DRE. Despite being surrounded by stigma and jokes, this exam is quick, painless, and allows the doctor to assess the size and texture of the prostate, sometimes detecting abnormalities that blood tests might miss. Imaging tests like transrectal ultrasound or MRI scans may also be used in specific cases for a more detailed evaluation. But these exams aren't just about catching severe conditions like cancer. They're also valuable for monitoring more common and less serious issues such as benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, a non-cancerous prostate enlargement that can cause urinary difficulties, or prostatitis, an inflammation that can lead to pain and discomfort. Consistent medical follow-ups are the cornerstone of an effective prostate care strategy. Regular checkups help build a health history, monitor changes over time, and allow for preventive actions before issues escalate. It's understandable that many men feel anxious or even avoid these appointments due to discomfort or lack of information. But facing these exams with maturity is an act of self-care and self-respect. Prioritizing your health means prioritizing your quality of life, autonomy, and long-term well-being. In the next chapter, we'll dive into a less discussed but equally important topic: how prostate health impacts men's emotional and psychological well-being, directly influencing self-esteem, confidence, and relationships. Caring for your prostate health goes far beyond medical checkups, balanced diets, or healthy habits. There's a deeper, often overlooked side, the emotional and psychological benefits that come with proactive self-care. When you take control of your health, something powerful happens within you. The simple act of prioritizing yourself creates a direct boost in self-confidence and shapes how you perceive yourself. Knowing that you're making choices to protect your body brings a sense of security, that inner peace that comes when you know you're doing the best for yourself. And it's not just about you. This kind of self-care spills over into other areas of life. Intimate and emotional relationships benefit significantly when you feel good about yourself. Elevated self-esteem enhances communication, deepens emotional connections, and strengthens intimacy. Men who feel confident in their own bodies tend to have healthier relationships, built on trust and mutual respect. Another key aspect is the positive impact on mental health. Prostate issues, like urinary difficulties or sexual dysfunction, can lead to anxiety, frustration, and even feelings of shame. By proactively caring for your prostate, you lower these risks and avoid the emotional strain that such problems can bring. Self-care also promotes a deeper connection with yourself. Moments of introspection, whether through mindful masturbation or even during relaxation practices like meditation, help you reconnect with your body, understanding its needs, limits, and potential. This level of self-awareness is liberating and brings a sense of well-being that extends far beyond the physical. There's also a subtle but powerful benefit, a sense of self-worth. In a world that constantly pushes us to be productive, taking moments to care for yourself is almost an act of rebellion, a way of saying, "I deserve this care," and you do. Finally, it's important to remember that self-care isn't a final destination, but a continuous journey. Caring for your prostate and your overall health is a process of self-discovery, respect, and self-love. Every healthy choice you make, no matter how big or small, is an investment not only in your body, but also in your happiness and quality of life. Throughout this journey, you're not just preserving your physical health, you're cultivating a balance between mind and body, strengthening your self-esteem, and building a solid foundation for a more fulfilling and connected life. Because in the end, taking care of yourself is the greatest act of love you can offer, not just to yourself, but to everyone around you.